When it comes to choosing an email marketing platform, small businesses often have to balance affordability with features that can drive growth. In this video, we'll be comparing MailerLite and Drip to determine which is more affordable for small businesses. But before we dive in, I'll give you a heads up. While both platforms have their strengths, there might be a better alternative out there for your needs, and I'll reveal that at the end. Let's start with MailerLite, one of the most popular options for small businesses. It's known for its user-friendly interface and straightforward pricing. If you're just starting out, MailerLite's free plan is pretty generous. It covers up to 1,000 subscribers and lets you send 12,000 emails per month. But as your business grows, you'll need to consider their paid plans, which start at just $9 per month for 1,000 subscribers. This makes it an affordable choice for small businesses that are just getting started or growing steadily. Next, we have Drip. Drip is a bit more premium and offers advanced features that can really help when you're looking to scale your email marketing efforts. However, with that extra power comes a higher price tag. Their basic plan starts at $19 per month for 500 subscribers, which is already pricier than MailerLite's lowest tier. The pricing increases quickly as your subscriber count grows, so Drip can get expensive fast. But if you're looking for advanced automation and personalization, the cost might be worth it. Now, let's talk about features. MailerLite offers a wide range of tools that are perfect for small businesses, including email automation, landing pages, and pop-ups. But where it really stands out is its simplicity. You can get your campaigns up and running in no time, which is a big plus if you don't have a lot of time to manage your email marketing. Drip, on the other hand, offers much more robust automation features. This includes advanced workflows, segmentation, and integrations with a wider range of e-commerce platforms. But all these advanced features come with a learning curve. Drip can feel a bit overwhelming if you're just starting out or if you don't have a dedicated marketing team. Next thing to consider is support. MailerLite's customer support is decent, but it can be slow at times, especially if you're on the lower tier plan. You might have to wait a little longer for a response. Drip support is known to be more responsive and offers better resources, but that comes at a cost, again, because Drip is more expensive overall. Now, let's talk about scalability. As your business grows, you might start needing more advanced features like A/B testing, deeper analytics, or integrations with other tools. MailerLite does offer these features, but they're more basic compared to Drip's. On the other hand, Drip's premium features come in handy for larger businesses or those with more complex needs. But keep in mind that the pricing model quickly becomes a burden if you're not utilizing those advanced features. The fourth thing to consider is ease of use. MailerLite is designed with small businesses in mind. It's simple to navigate, and you can get campaigns set up quickly. Drip's platform, while powerful, has a steeper learning curve. If you're looking for a platform that you can start using right away without much training, MailerLite is the way to go. Finally, let's wrap this up. Both MailerLite and Drip have their strengths, but if you're a small business looking for the most affordable option without compromising on essential features, MailerLite is likely the better choice. It's simple, affordable, and scales well for businesses in the early to middle stages. However, if you're looking for a platform with advanced automation and a wider range of integrations, and you don't mind paying a premium, Drip might be worth considering. That said, I've tried both platforms, and while they're good, I believe there's a better alternative out there for small businesses. If you want the best value, take advantage of the free trial available through the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get access to an exclusive offer that's only available to our viewers. So, check it out and see how it compares to MailerLite and Drip for yourself.